Yo, what up everybody? My name is Christian. It's been a long journey, guys. Thank you for subscribing to my channel because I appreciate your support, but we need more. We need more people to come and join the Christainer army because I needed some help, okay? But this time we need to take it up a notch. Guys, I'm sorry for being inactive lately because I have so many things to do because number one, I need to study because I need to get ready for my last final examination. So guys, please pray for me so I can pass the test. Please help me. And not just that, I have a lot of things to do and a lot of things to study, but I'm trying my hardest, okay? And alright. So today we're gonna be playing more Granny. So as you guys seen on another video is where Granny, I play Granny on the other one. So so they say there's a new update. So they say there's been a new update. I'm just gonna do it easy because I need like more space. So I'm gonna try with Grandpa because Granny's a little bit too tired. I don't know, stressed maybe. Alright, maybe let's start the video. Before we start the video, of course, if you're new, subscribe. To turn the post notifications on so you'll be notified when I post new videos. When I post new videos every single Wednesday only. And let's play Granny. Let's do this. Let's do this. So I know this is going to take a lot of time, but we're not trying to escape this time. We're not trying to escape this. I'm just going to explore the house and we're gonna try to figure out where is the new one, where's the new update at. So I'm a little bit scared because I haven't played this game for a long time because I have a lot of things to do. So I'm not sure if I'm gonna escape this time or maybe we're not gonna escape. We're just gonna explore the house to see if there's new things about. So they say there's a helicopter. I don't believe it, but we're gonna try. We're gonna find out if it's real or not. If there's a helicopter, I would really go crazy. So you know what I do. Oh gosh. Come on. Alright, Grandpa, don't be so grumpy. Just go down the stairs, come on. Just go down the stairs, you little freak. You're going too slow for the video. Seriously. You're gonna take too long. If you don't hurry, I'm literally gonna kill you. Okay. It's been like a minute and he's not still there. Alright. Oh! You little motherfucker, you seriously. Doofy. I hate you so much. If you come here, I'm literally gonna kill you. For 1 second. Door lock. Okay, so he's going upstairs. Ooh, what's that? It's new! It's locked, great! I swear if I play this both, I know. Ooh, picture. So if you guys don't know, I don't know what's in there, but helicopter key. I'm like kind of scared, but it's whatever. I guess I'm gonna drop it right there, like on the door. So I don't know what's in. I don't know. Let's just check down here. Another painting. Uh, okay. Look, buddy, I don't know. What the fuck? Being really scared now. He's coming down here. Isn't he? Yep. That's him, right? I don't know. Alright, I'm kind of scared. I don't even know where he's he. But I know he's creeping. He's creeping. He's downstairs. The door is open. He's gotta be downstairs. Don't get me wrong. He's downstairs, right? I'm going for it. Oh my... I hate you, you little mother. Oh my god. I'm literally going to kill you right now. Get the F in here. I hate you, you little... I hate you so much right now. Thank God. Okay, so now he's down. Let's explore the house. Okay, so... Oh, that's downstairs. Oh, okay. So let's check the drawers, I guess. We got a wrench, okay. We need to reload right now. I don't even know if it can go up. Helicopter manual. So there is a helicopter in here. There is a helicopter in here. I don't need the boat. We don't need to control the boat. Duct. What? What's this? Oh, that's the painting. Wait, we complete the painting. Oh, I'm down. I'm down to go and get all the things. I am down to like get all the, you know what I'm saying? Like the pictures. I'm down. I'm down. I'm down. I'm down to get the pictures. So we need to drop. We need to drop the freaking shotgun down there. And I don't know. Let's check the drawers first. Get the safe key. Okay. So, first enough. He's gone for about like 2 minutes, so we need to get a hurry. Door. We don't need the door handle. Spark plug. Damn it. I don't even need it. Okay, let's like maybe go up again. grab the shotgun, and let's go up. Because I want to like investigate like the area first. Let me see, shot that. Okay, good. So like this is where we put the painting. So if we already complete the painting, so if we put the painting here, this should open the door. As you can see, it's locked. So that should open the door. And I assumed, I'm 100% sure the helicopter is in there. Probably. Well, alright guys. This is for today's video, because the next episode is going to tomorrow. I promised. It's gonna be tomorrow. Because after tomorrow, you're going to see if I can open this. So I'm gonna be safe. So see you guys for tomorrow, okay? Thank you guys so much for watching, and please stay Christainer, and peace up. Love you guys. Stay for the next episode.